Hey everybody, this is Jesse from G28CNC, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing, assembling, and testing a 28-inch vinyl cutter plotter from Vevor. We are unboxing the Vevor cutting plotter. It's basically a vinyl cutter for making large-scale vinyl stickers and decals. Not a bad price on Amazon, and it came within like 3 days, which is pretty cool. I think that the packaging looks pretty good. This is always fun to see some good foam in there. This was like a bundle kit, so it came with software, it came with some accessories, it came with some material too. So there's actually some rolls of vinyl in here. Alright, so we've got our software and cables. There's a USB cable in here. There's what looks like a 9-pin connector. Yep, if you have like a old school port. USB stick. I don't know what these are. These look like probably scrapers. Power cord. Oh, nice. There's a X-Acto blade in there. Software. The actual blade and cutter is in here. There's 3 replacement blades, it looks like. There's a fuse. There's actually, it looks like this is a pen plotter too. That's pretty cool. Some screws. Okay, so that was in this first box. I'm just gonna get this stuff out of the way. So basically like accessories and software. Cool. All right, we've got some, I don't know, this feels like masking tape. That's cool. This appears to be some contact tape, contact paper. We've got a blue roll, a red roll, yellow roll. I hope there's black and white. That's like 2 I actually need here. All right, so black. Cool, right on. All right, so you get 5 rolls. I think there's green in there. Nope, I don't feel it. So, yep, so 5 rolls of roughly 24-inch vinyl. I just planned to get some vinyl after the fact once I get this thing set up and running. But cool, you get some vinyl with that. Move this thing back and pull this out. Saw pieces for the stand. The plotter itself here. This looks pretty cool. Yeah. Get this thing put together. All right. So before I get started, I just want to point out how brutal these instructions are. I mean, this looks really simple, but the instructions in the book aren't representative of what I have here at all. So I can only assume that these are for a different model. Like I don't have this catch on mine. There are definitely not any metric screws included. So they've got this little insert and this matches up. There's 8 of these really coarse thread Phillips screws. So that'll be interesting. I guess it's like if you mess up, you're one and done because they're not like machine screws and really fine pitch threads. So I'm guessing that it kind of taps into these extrusions, but we'll see how this goes. Here we go. All right, I don't know about this. I don't have a great feeling about these coarse thread screws, but I guess we'll see. I think these 3 holes must go to the outside because that's what this roll holder is gonna go onto. So we're gonna build 2 of these. I'd say go slow, you know, you don't want to strip these out. don't know, torque on this thing. Maybe we'll drop down to like a 5 and see how that goes. That's my first initial guess there. All right. Yeah, 5 feels like it's too much. We're gonna go down to 4. Yeah, 4. That's on my everybody busts my chops for this Black & Decker, but I'll tell you what, man, I had a Milwaukee, I had a DeWalt, I think that's it. I might have had a Makita, I don't know. I've had a couple of cordless screw guns, cordless drills, and this is the only one that has lasted. So give me a hard time if you want, but the proof's in the pudding here. Black & Decker, rocking it. These two holes to the outside. Let's see. Let's put this spacer in next to just kind of let this thing stand up. This is definitely not a step-by-step here, so you gotta kind of look here. Did those two. These things are going on facing up with these 3 shorter on each side. Alright, now this thing literally just sits down into these holes here. There's these little, plastic tapered posts that just set right down into those holes. Alright, and that's it. Cut this thing free. Pretty quick assembly. I think in total, that was probably about 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. You plug in the USB and here it is, it's on here, so cool, got that. Right? Yeah, I mean, who am I kidding? Cool. Sign Master. I personally like using metric, but I'm just gonna go for it. For your model, it's listed on the side of your machine. Curious to see what the software looks like. Wow, it's got a transparent, what is this called? A splash screen or something, right? Dang, look at that. That's kind of cool. Sign Master. Just, man, I guess I'm taking the brunt, the hit, so you don't have to. This seems very virusy, but yeah, all right. I'm gonna go up and do an import for my test. I'm just gonna grab some vector. I'll just pick one. Sure. Alright, I have my file all set. I'm gonna just kind of home this thing here. And hit origin. Alright, and then this is set to send the file to. So let's try that. Awesome. It's on there. Come and kind of cut this free here. See that it's been scored, but I'll take this over here and I'll take the backing off and we'll make a transfer sticker. Alright, so I have what I just cut out on the cutter. I'm just going to make a quick little piece of transfer for this. And get this separated here. Probably should have, there we go, grabbed that. No problem. Okay. Let's do that upside down. Oh, I don't want to leave that heart piece in there. That's the crucial, right? There we go. We just have our contact paper. Cool. And then I'm going to push this back. Right on. Cool. So there's our sticker. I mean, let's say I was going to put this on my computer. So I've got my decal. I would clean this with alcohol or something. I want this to be this way so that when it's open it makes sense to somebody looking at it. There you go. Computer decal. That's pretty cool. Not bad. This thing works great. I would highly recommend it. I'll put a link to this below so you could purchase one if you're looking for it. Again, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. That's how I can keep making videos like this. And I'll catch you on the next one.